In other news, the Maharashtra-Karnataka language row and the Kannada activists are now assaulting bus drivers and using spray paint to blacken the buses in Karnataka. Now the interstate bus services have been suspended, and this is condemning the incident and registering a case against the conductor under the POCSO Act. Activists of the Karnataka have blackened the face of the bus conductor and the front windshield of a bus in Chitradurga on Saturday. My colleague Sujata has the details.
The assault on MSRTC bus driver and conductor has led to the suspension of bus services from Maharashtra to Karnataka. Following the incident, Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik has too taken cognizance and spoke to the bus driver and conductor personally and assured them of every help from the Maharashtra government. The incident occurred on the night of 21st at around 9 p.m. when a bus from Maharashtra was moving to Karnataka's Chitradurga region, where suddenly some of pro-Kannada activists they stepped into the bus and they asked the bus conductor and driver to speak in Kannada language. But after the refusal from the bus conductor and driver, where they informed the activists that they were not aware of the language and they could not speak in it, they were assaulted and black ink was thrown at them, after which Maharashtra government has taken cognizance of the matter, and Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik has said that he will speak to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Until this, bus services will remain suspended until the Karnataka government they take notes of this and start and initiate discussions with the Maharashtra government with regards to this matter. The aim is this: the tensions between Maharashtra and Karnataka is not new. Decades old of this dispute has led to now people being affected, and now all of such results are coming out where people are involving into fights and such incidents are being noticed. It is important for the Maharashtra government and the Karnataka government to start and initiate action against such incidents that are happening at present. Even in Maharashtra, supporters and party workers of the Shiv Sena UBT staged a protest, whereas on the other hand, people in Karnataka too staged a protest from some pro-activist, pro-Kannada group, where they were of their demands that people and the bus services, the people who are driving the bus and the conductors must be aware of the other region's language. And aim is this: what are the decisions made by the Maharashtra government and Karnataka government to get a solution out of this dispute remains an important discussion and also something to have an eye on.